What a great product! It is very well made, and it comes on a beautiful package. Luckily I got this, now I can manage to have all the cables organized.
This 12 outlets and 5 SUV port is perfect for my work or home. I can just use this to charge almost my everything at the same time. It saves lots of space and charge very fast, and it's very cool. The power charge stations has independent switches on each side so you can control separately. This
tower power strip has 12 outlets, in addition to 5 USB ports. It's enough to power all my devices. I am super happy about it. The power cord is thick and about 4 feet long, because I only place it on my desk, so this length is appropriate.
The 2 switches on the top provide more protection and options. It has been working as it should. I have no complaint about it.
Got this to clean up the mess of wires that I have beside my TV stand. I needed 8 sockets and this tower strip provides more than enough spots, 12 decently spaced, for this purpose.
The wattage is more than enough for plugging in TV plus Google Home plus speaker system and other non-heating element appliances. The on-off buttons on the top are pretty useful as well.
I have been looking for an electrical tower for a while for my TV console setup. I have many devices there and need at least 10 outlets.
A traditional power strip is not working cause I would need 2 of them, and because they have all the outlets arranged in a single line, it's not easy to plug in all of the plugs. Also, it would take up too much space and not very organized. With this power towel, I am able to plug in all the plugs for my devices. It sits up tall so it doesn't take up lots of floor space as the power strips do.
The outlets are arranged nicely with 3 outlets per side, so the plugs and wires don't get all squeezed together. The power is stable and I haven't experienced any issues with power and glitches. I use it to power my TV, amp, speakers, DVD, alarm system, Apple TV, and occasionally some other devices as needed. Another nice feature is the 5 built-in USB ports. With these, I don't have to use separate power adapters and it does save lots of space. It's like having another 5 additional outlets. Overall, I am very impressed with this product, especially at this price point.
This thing is amazing. So many power outlets and such a space saver.
I used to have 2 power strips on my desks, because I have 3 laptops, 2 desk lamps, and multiple other things that need to be charged always every day.
This tower power strip replaced my 2 older strips. The 5.0 USB ports are very powerful. For example, I can use the USB to power my electronic pencil sharpener.
The product also comes with a nice box. It will be great if this is also available in white.
Click link in description for more reviews.